Welcome geometry students to the homework help video. Here's the assignment right here. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 7 through 9, use a calculator to approximate the measure of angle A. So here we go. Notice we're missing angle A, and so whenever we're missing an angle, we use the second tangent button. So tangent to the -1 of 5.4472. Let me grab my calculator real quick here and type this in. You should get out 79.59 degrees. It does say to round to the nearest tenth. That's one decimal place, so 79.59 would be 79.6 degrees. Okay, moving on to number 8. Notice we have a trig equation with a missing angle, so we're going to hit second sign on your calculator, and then you're going to type in 0.8988, and if you do that correctly, you will get 64.00077 degrees. So if you round 64.00 to the nearest tenth, it will be 16.0 degrees. Okay, moving on to number 9. We have a trig equation and we're missing an angle. So we're going to use the second cosine button. Cosine -1 of 0.3846. Let me grab my calculator and type this in. 0.3846, and you will get out 67.3810898. If you round that to one decimal place, you should get 67.4. 67.4. Okay, moving on to number 12. It is a trig equation and we're missing an angle, so we're going to hit second tangent. So up pops tangent to the -1 of 0.5. So second tangent of 0.5 would be 26.5650518 degrees, and the directions for these say to round to the nearest tenth or one decimal place. So the answer would be 26.6 degrees. 26.6 degrees. Moving on to number 13. We have a trig equation missing an angle, so we're going to hit second tangent and then type in 1.0, and let me type that in. If you type that in correctly, you will get out 45 degrees exactly. No rounding is needed. 45 degrees. All right, number 14, we have a trig equation. We're missing an angle, so we're going to hit tangent -1 equals, or not equals, sorry, of 2.5. All right, let me grab my calculator, second tangent, 2.5, and we're going to get out 68.19859,051 degrees. So 68.19 rounds to 68.2 degrees. Okay, hope you guys are getting the hang of this. We need to know how to do this for the upcoming notes. Okay, number 15 is a trig equation. We're missing an angle, so we're going to hit second tangent and then type in 0.2311. So second tangent 0.2311, and you will get 13.01260894, which, if you're rounding to one decimal place, 13.01 rounds to 13.0 degrees. All right, number 16, we have a trig equation and we're missing an angle, so we're going to hit second tangent, which will give us tangent to the -1, or inverse tangent is how you say it, of 1.509. Let me grab my calculator very quickly here. Second tangent, 1.509. And you're going to get out 56.46794096 degrees. So 56.46 would round to 56.5 degrees. Okay, last one and we're finally done. Number 17. This is a tangent or a trig equation. We're missing an angle, so we're going to type into our calculator second tangent and then 4.125. All right, let me grab my calculator very quickly here. Second tangent, 4.125, and what you should get out is 76.37300,514 degrees. Now 76.37 rounds to 76.4 degrees. And that's it for today's homework. I just wanted you to practice those problems so that you're ready when we start solving triangles. You're able to solve for angles in trig equations like this. And so I hope this homework help video has been to help for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email.